Hi, my name is Robert, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about 24Burn before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about 24Burn supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is 24Burn, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. 24Burn is inspired by Greek metabolic water, which helps individuals lose weight regardless of their age, body type, or health status. An unhealthy weight not only causes health issues but also affects sex life, sleep patterns, stress, and anger. Many people are overweight because of their slow metabolisms. Working on your metabolism and reigniting it helps your body start melting fat. 24Burn contains a mixture of herbs that helps you lose excess weight in just a few months. The slimming formula stops sugar cravings, balances your blood sugar, and transforms your metabolism from storing fat to burning. It enables individuals to fall asleep faster and wake up feeling relaxed and refreshed. As the 24Burn supplement helps break down fat, you will have more energy to engage in both physical and mental activities. The powerful ingredients in 24Burn give you a sharper mind, boost your focus, and promote hormonal balance, which is crucial in weight loss. The supplement restores your sex life, gives you stamina, reduces appetite, and ensures sustainable weight loss. Thousands of people have already had incredible results with 24Burn. I invite you to see some real testimonials on the official product page. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with 24Burn and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use 24Burn 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.